How to recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. In today's video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can recover a deleted Facebook account 30 days or not, and what you can do if it's been permanently removed. So let's get into it. Facebook allows you to recover a deleted account within 30 days. After that, the account is permanently deleted and Facebook says it cannot be recovered. But don't worry, I'll show you a few things you can still try. Step 1 is to try logging in anyway. Simply go to facebook.com, and once you've done that, simply enter your login details. If Facebook didn't fully delete your data, it might still let you back in. Just type your email, phone, and password. Once you've done that, simply check your email inbox for any Facebook messages, especially one with subject line like your Facebook account is scheduled for deletion. If you still can't access your account, what you can do is simply go to the Facebook Help Center and report that your account was deleted or hacked. Just go to facebook.com/help and tap on Login, Recovery and Security option. Now simply scroll down and find an option called No and Was This Helpful, and click on Other and just fill out the form with the details. There's no guarantee, but this is your best bet after the 30-day window. Simply fill in all the details that you might want to write, like you specially forgot or you accidentally deleted your account. And by using this way, you can simply try to recover your deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Sadly, it's not always possible, but this might give you some options.